Hello guys, and welcome to the complete Flutter developer course. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to manage data inside the cards and inside a stateful widget. So let's begin. Now, we have seen in the previous videos that we have created a stateful widget. But the question is how to now we manage and change data inside of it. We will do in a very simple way. So we see at the my app state underscore class, we have added these build methods. So before of that, we are going to create a list of text. Since Dart is strongly typed language, so we are going to specify the type in front of the list. We are going to create a list of like cards. I will card. I will name it as a card. So now, before we are going, I missed this specifying between the angle brackets, the angle brackets, string, the type of string. Now I will put the semicolon. So we are going to create the list that contains the cards needed to be displayed when the user is going to click the button. So cards, I will put cards, cards collector. Okay. Now it's time to use the list and simply display them into the stateful widget, since they allow us to manage and use the UI when the app is running. Now inside the body, we are going to create put the cards into a list. So we are going to create cards, cardi, list, and I will pass between the angle brackets or dot. I map and I will put this line, another line, and what I'm doing is making the cards inside a list that are displayed into the user when he clicked, or we can add it when the user click the button, so the card will be displayed. So what I'm doing, I'm creating a simple card list that contains or take the elements as cards. And now the text, I will remove it and see element, and I will put them or cast the variable or argument as element, and here I will say that should be a column and widget, column widget. So here we go, the child going card and taking it down and specifying it as a card. So what I'm doing, I'm creating an instance element that contains the cards, and these cards are put it inside. We are going to put it inside a list that this list is going to be added or be displayed to the user in form of cards. So card or a column, I will now manage them to be inside a column. So I will create a column now and put these inside of it, and here I will remove them and put them here. So now this column contains a list. So this contains a children. So what are the children? Children of the column. Children will be contained as a list. So I'm making children as a list. Children map cards or cardi, or my app or my list contains a map with casting and elements inside it and passing the card outside it. Now the child has or this has these variables or these attributes. Now the child will contain also column, and this column contains also children of type widget. So and the type widget will contain an image and a text. So we are going we still have to put just one step and we will be done. So at the end of the card and the column, this is a card, and we put to list. Going to create the toList method. So I will pause the video and just make sure that everything is working fine. I will create this and put it here. Now I've like rearranged and reordered these brackets and angle brackets because to save your time and save my time. So these angle brackets, I've just see them how they belong, and I've added a toList method here at the end of the cards. So what at the end of the cards or in this method. So what we have done is making we are going to allow the user to click the button, and when the user click it, it will add another card inside our card list. So what we have created in this tutorial, I've created a list of cards called cardi. Now I've passed the column. I've created a column below the container or inside the body that contains the cards. So I've created a cardi list or the children cardi list called dot map, and I've created and passed the cards as their variables. Now or attributes. Now I've added also at the end toList button or sorry a toList method in order to later on allow the user to click the button and add new cards inside our app. Thank you guys. Till now we are doing fine. We will see in the next videos how to create also or continue our development for our app that will add cards will add the cards inside our app when the user click the interface or click the button. So this button, the user will able to add cards next videos. Thank you. I hope you subscribe and like. Keep us going. We are making new tutorials. Just your subscribe, just your comments, and just your likes will keep us making videos. No need to money, just your subscribe. Thank you guys. See you next videos.